students, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn subtraction. First of all, what is subtraction and what we do in subtraction? As we all know, in addition, we add values. We add values in given values. I mean, we add another value in already given values, but in subtraction we take away the values, we take away the amounts. Very good. Now first question we have, I have made this model for you to make the concept of subtraction more easier to understand. First of all, we have 3 minus 0. Now this is a sign of subtraction. We can also say it the sign of subtraction or sign of minus. Well, we have 3 minus 0. Now count with me. We have 1, 2 and 3. As we all know that 0 has no value. So we will write the answer 3 as it is. Next we have 5 minus 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will take away, repeat with me, we will take away 4. We will take away 4. First of all, count with me these 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now I will take away these 4 like this. Now tell me how many left? 1. How many left? 1. So the answer is 1. Next we have 4 minus 1. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will take away 1. We will take away 1. Very good. So I have taken away 1. How many left? 1, 2 and 3. How many left? 3. Alright, we have another examples. First we have 4 minus 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we total have 4 and we will take away 4. Alright. Now I have taken away 4. How many left? No, nothing left. So we will write 0 as we have nothing left. Now 3 minus 2. We have 1, 2 and 3. So we will take away now 2. Count with me. 1 and 2. Alright, how many left? How many left? Very good. 1. Alright, our last question is 4 minus 3. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Alright, we will take away 3. 1, 2 and 3 like this. Now tell me how many left? 1. How many left? 1. So 1 is our answer. Thank you so much for watching this video.